Welcome back to Frugal Spoon, and we are making Korean barbecue beef short ribs today. My name is Ivan, and I make tasty small recipes for me and my plus one. But today I am making barbecue beef short ribs for one of my first subscribers back in 2020. Her name is Laura Laredo from Fremont, California. So Laura, this is for you. Beef short ribs is the hero dish of many Korean barbecue restaurants. It's sweet and has the texture of ribeye. But what are beef short ribs? Short ribs come from the beef chuck section of the beef. The ribs from the chuck section are too small to be served as ribs, so you rarely see them in grocery stores along with larger ribs. The meat section between the bones of the short ribs are not as tender as the regular ribs, but they have so much more flavor than the ribs, and that is why they are so popular. You just gotta know how to cook them. It's not very hard. Oh, we love subscribers, so please hit that subscribe button. And if you want to be notified of new recipes on Frugal Spoon, just hit that little notification bell to the top right of your YouTube screen. The ribs are sliced perpendicular to the ribs, so that's why we call them short ribs. Place the short ribs in a bowl and rinse them with cold water to wash away any bone fragments from the butcher. Use a colander or wire rack to allow any excess water to drain through the ribs, or simply wipe them with a paper towel to drain off any excess water. So let's build the marinade. You can add the marinade to a blender and blend it up, or you can just simply chop the ingredients and add them to a large bowl. So to a large bowl, add 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 teaspoon crushed black pepper, 2 tablespoons garlic, 1 tablespoon ginger, 1/2 chopped onion, 1 tablespoon honey, and 1 pear that's been peeled, seeded, and chopped. Add 1/4 cup mirin, 1/2 cup sugar, add 1/2 cup soy sauce, and 1/2 cup vinegar. And add the beef short ribs. Place the short ribs in the refrigerator for 12 to 24 hours if you use the Pear. Cook the short ribs over gas or charcoal grill with high heat. Cook the ribs as you would a nice cut of steak. I like mine rare and cooked on the grill for 2 minutes on each side. You can also bake the short ribs with a drip tray on medium-high heat in your oven. Or you can pan fry your beef short ribs. Sometimes I like to pan fry for 4 minutes on each side until it has a nice glaze. Other times I pan fry for 2 minutes on one side, and on the other side I sear it with a blowtorch. But it's up to you. I prepared our Korean barbecue beef short ribs as a lettuce wrap. We are garnishing the short ribs with green onions, cucumber slices, sweet daikon carrots on crispy lettuce. At Korean barbecue houses, they always provide tongs to handle the ribs and scissors to cut the meat into bite-sized pieces. Other Korean barbecue houses serve short ribs as a sandwich with pickled daikon carrots, cilantro, onions, and jalapeno slices on a French roll. Sometimes we don't have French rolls at home, then I just use hot dog buns. The sandwich is still amazing. Well, it's time for dinner. I hope you enjoy your own Korean barbecue beef short ribs, and I hope Laura Laredo enjoys hers. Remember to visit Frugal Spoon to print this recipe and others. Don't forget to like us with a thumbs up and subscribe. Also hit that little bell to the top right of your YouTube screen to be notified of the next Frugal Spoon video. Thank you for stopping by. Have a great, safe day. Ivan out.